The superstructures were put in to give the students a private place to gather when they wanted to work and they wanted, they'd be a little louder. They have the whiteboard walls so that they can actually write on the walls and discuss things interactively.
The spaces are really giving me the opportunity to regenerate and get back on track because they're quiet spaces. That's the really cool thing about this is that, the pods are pretty much soundproof. So are the huddle rooms. So even though you're seeing everyone and you would think that'd be really loud and kind of distracting, and I'm definitely a person who gets distracted easily, it's really enough that you can still see everyone going about their day.
The superstructures are sized differently so that you can have different size groups. We also want to use some for our career exploration center so that they could do mock interviews and things in them where you didn't want a big room, you'd want a smaller room to be a little more personalized.
My favorite space in the campus is definitely the huddle rooms. They're very convenient and accessible for students when it comes to studying and hanging out with friends or just relaxing.
The superstructure didn't need any mechanical hookups for the HVAC system, which was a big plus for it. Running the ductwork down in the hallways and then having to put in fire dampers and smoke alarms and everything else. So with the open baffled ceiling and the glass walls so that we would know what's going on in there, really made them appealing to the college. So every other school, in my opinion, should consider KI. They brought the project well within budget, and it's a true success story.